This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're serving 3-texture king oyster mushroom stir fry with snow peas. So it's a simple, tasty dish, lots of flavor and texture. So let's get started. Wow, this mushroom is really tasty. Today we have stir-fried mushrooms. We have the king oyster mushrooms. Add a little snap peas to it. It's a delicious flavor. So you'll find that this dish is really sophisticated, and I'm sure you'll impress your friends with this. So this recipe has lots of texture and taste. So you'll see when I put this together. So we're going to have 3 textures in the mushrooms. So it looks actually like scallops. You can, in fact, people would think it's actually scallops, because we're going to make it taste like scallops, but it's 3 textures in the one mushroom, so it's going to be a real interesting recipe. So we're going to cook this in a grill first, and then we're going to stir fry in a wok as well. So it means extra step, but it's going to bring out lots of flavor. So you're going to get real good taste and texture with this recipe. So put about 3 or 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. I got the pan heated at medium to medium-high heat. So first we just want to grill the round pieces first. So this is a vegetarian dish, and if you want to make the mushroom taste more like scallops, you can marinate these round pieces in sea salt and soy sauce. But if you just want to fry it, I'm going to add ingredients like oyster flavor sauce anyway. So I like to sear each of these round pieces. Nicely brown like that. So you can sear this in the wok if you like, but it has more surface on a flat pan. I'm going to put a little bit of sea salt in this. So it'll be salty like the scallops from the sea. I'm going to throw a dash of this light soy sauce over it. Gives it a bit of salty flavor. It's cooked about 3/4 of the way through. Now this mushroom has a bit of a texture like scallop with salt and soy sauce on it. It has that nice salty taste. Fantastic. So I preheat the wok at medium-high heat. Just going to put about 2 or 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Have peanut oil here. I'm going to put a generous tablespoon of chopped ginger and a tablespoon of chopped garlic. So I like lots of nice flavor from the aromatics. These are aromatics. So it's going to cook real quickly. About 10-15 seconds is all you need. So I have the other 2 mushrooms going down. So this is a slivered mushroom from the body of the mushroom. And then I'm just going to give that a quick stir fry. And then I'm going to put the rest of the mushrooms. This looks like mushrooms, because it is mushroom. Mix in the aromatics, ginger and the garlic. So if you're going to keep it strictly vegetarian, so soy sauce, like oyster sauce, has oyster extract. They call it vegetarian sauce now. It looks similar to the oyster flavor sauce and tastes similar, I think. And you can omit that, just put soy sauce if you like. So now we're just going to stick in a couple handfuls of snow peas, so maybe a cup to a cup and a half. Snow peas are good for flavor and they're really crispy. So you don't want to override the flavor of the mushroom by putting in too many veggies. You can if you like, but I want to make sure you taste the mushroom. And then we're going to put the rest of the mushrooms in there. These are the ones that look like the scallops. So I already have some salt and soy sauce in there. So now I'm just going to hit it with some light soy sauce. So if you're not a strict vegan or a vegetarian, you can put oyster flavored sauce. If you want to keep it vegan or vegetarian, there's a vegetarian stir-fry sauce that looks like similar to this. So as you saw, the oyster flavored sauce didn't come out of the bottle. So I'm going to show you a little trick to get the sauce out faster. So make sure the top is on tight. Then just spin the bottle. So centrifugal force will bring the sauce to the top of the bottle. So let's see how it works. There you have it. A quick demonstration on how to make the sauce flow. It also has the it used to be called vegetarian oyster sauce. Now they just call it vegetarian stir-fry sauce. So Lee Kum Kee has a real nice bottle of that sauce. So just before you serve, I'm going to put a little bit of this sesame oil. It's going to give a nice fragrance and taste. So put about a teaspoon in there, and we're done. That's it right there. Good. So you want to keep some of the round ones on top, so when you serve it, it has a nice presentation there. So shapes, texture, and nice presentation. There you have it. 3-textured king oyster mushroom stir fry. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.